Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And today we got some errands to run today. Got to bring the carpet to wash. And Miss Jam Tours says she want to drive.
I didn't even. It's my own.
Is your work? To do what? To drive, go where? Can you drive on the main? Yeah. Yeah. I really know, sweetie. You want to get me in trouble. You want my license to be revoked. Yeah, revoked. Yeah, family. Yeah, of course you can revoke it if you allow someone to drive without a license. I do have a learner's license. You want my international license to be revoked. Yeah, family. So we actually, you know, Miss Jam Tours want to give me the baby. Want to give me baby Amish. Yeah, family. Swing, turn it, turn it.
The handbrake should always be down or up.
Yeah?
The handbrake should be down or up.
It should be down or up?
When I'm leaving the car. Huh?
Should be down, sweetie.
But see, it was down, so I left it down.
Yeah?
So I left the handbrake down.
Yeah, you left it down.
Guy, it's not a problem. So it should be down or up.
Yeah, family. So Miss Jam Tours is actually driving to the front. You know, this kind of bad.
You see? Time. But see, can somebody still fit there?
Oh, they'll just wait until you pass. I'll go kill yourself. Which car wanna overtake you? You wanna let it overtake you?
Nope. How will it overtake me? Okay, I would have hit that one. I'm not even checking.
Yeah, family. So as you can see, Miss Jam Tours is doing very good. Speeding, you're going 25, you know. The speed limit in here is 20.
That's the guy I'm waiting for. What? The one in green.
Yeah, I think that's him.
Guy.
You stop and ask him what is that.
Okay. Asa tutiraika muno. Tobyo ha quick mat. Sawa. Doka kuhurire. Sawa. Beg you. No, when he left the house, I was trying to figure out where I've seen that face. He's the guy I was telling you. We found down there when they were digging.
Ah, okay.
And then he's the one who said, hey, ladies called 10. They are very nice. But I doubt he can remember me because he would have told me I don't, but maybe he has the respect of. So I told the people like this and don't really bother. I mean, men here know how to respect people who are married and all that.
So you put the seatbelt?
I want to put it. But there's no car behind me.
Yeah, family. So we actually
I thought it was brakes.
And you press gas.
And I'm pressing gas.
So you need to understand, you need to learn.
No. I'm sorry.
Are you using 2 foot?
It's because I was talking.
You're supposed to be using 1 foot.
I'm just using one, to be honest. I'm wondering, is this kind of stuff?
I mean, your mother is using 2 foot. 2 foot to be on the brakes.
No. To be honest, I'm not even used to. For real, I'm using one.
Using one?
Now, how will I even be able to use 2 foot? Okay, back then.
When you learn to drive.
No, before I understood driving, I used to think somebody uses 2 foot, one on the brakes, one on the thing. But now, right now, the way I've driven for those few days, now this guy is entering this way.
Yes, she started the indicator there.
So, now when I've understood driving, I've come to realize how can you even drive with 2 foot surely? You can't manage, you see. So I'm not using one, it's just by itself.
Okay.
What I did, the mistake I've done is because I guess I was talking and then it's like I'm not concentrating. Now me, I'm pressing gas. I'm waiting for the car to stop. I didn't realize I was stepping brakes.
What do you say about the water now?
No, he has told me we give it time for the water to enter. I've told him, oh, the tank doesn't have. He has told me, yes. He has told me, but are you taking long? I've told him, no. He has told me, all right, when you come back and maybe it has not entered, you can call me.
Okay. Yeah, family, so we're actually heading out to run a little errand. We have a carpet to wash.
Look at this woman. Does she not even don't know how to drive? Guy. Simwambia hata sijui kudrive. Hey, guy. Imagine if I didn't know how to step on brake. I'd have killed somebody today.
Yeah, family, so as I was saying, just run into the where we're gonna go to Quick Mart, right?
Yeah, to the carpet, to
the carpet,
the car wash.
The car wash to wash. We're gonna stop and get some green banana.
It has become Hamesh things.
Hamesh, just quiety boy. They're on them 24/7 at them and watch a kid was walk and inspect.
Muslim.
No man, that you know, see the man there. See the man walking around.
Up and down.
Yeah, like
he's for inspection.
No, it's like the supervisor did it see it. So I'm watching them, them doing anything he's doing watching. Just walking.
Just up and down.
Up and down, sweet, imagine. These guys has to be a good worker.
Yeah. But I noticed they wash clean.
Yeah, clean. Very clean, yeah.
So maybe, and don't you feel like if they don't get...
Yeah, I feel like maybe he's the one that they're washing the car so clean. This is where I wash this car there and always look clean. Yeah, family, so we actually reached the entrance at the gate, the entrance of Miss Jam Tours.
Should be talking like that.
So should be driving us going down to Quick Mart, you know.
I dare.
Sweetie, I don't think you can dare have a measure in the front and let that thing.
I can't dare try.
Although this road not really normally have police still.
Well, yeah. They and believe you me, they can know if you don't know how to drive. Of course they can. Oh, I'm not lucky.
Yeah.
I thought I was parked.
Alright, family, let's go. Family, so we actually stop at our local shop. We normally buy a local corner shop where we buy fruits. So we're gonna come out and get some fruits. And a ripe avocado. Vincent. Hi. Yeah. Let me have like two red one apple.
Okay. Let me put this one first.
Yeah.
Yes.
Avocado ripe.
Yeah, avocado. Very nice.
Yeah, let me have like three.
250.
Much for one? 250?
Yeah. One bag. Let me confirm the other one. 50, 100, 150, 200. Even this one 250.
250, okay. Nice ripe one, avocado. Oh, you sell them?
Apples. The red
Yeah,
one.
two, yeah.
Can I mix? Yeah.
Yeah, you can.
What else?
I think that's it for now, Vincent.
My watermelon, the way is very nice.
Very
Want
nice.
this and don't know why. Don't like
I have in the fridge. But sometimes we go to the market in Parkland.
Oh,
That's the reason you don't see us no more, but you'll see us again, no worry.
okay.
How much is it?
500. 500. 50, 50.
Yeah.
70, 720.
720, alright. Yeah, family, so the total is 720 for everything. As you can see, Amesh sleeping. Holy son. Turn it around. Yeah, family, so this is like street side shopping. Street side our base. I'll buy apple for you, sweetie.
Thank you.
Eh? Yeah, family, so let's go. That's lunch. Yeah, family, so I'm here at the car wash. I want to get this carpet wash. As you can see. How much to wash it? 1,500? That's not what I normally pay. Yeah, your price are double. You sure that's the price?
Yeah.
Okay, and when can I pick it up?
Yeah, I think we like 2 days.
2 days?
Yeah, 2 days. Yeah.
Ah, okay. Alright.
Okay.
Alright, no problem. 2 days time. Sweetie is like 1,500.
You couldn't have bargained 1,500.
But I still ask him if that's the price. Now I'll pay like 600.
So tell him we can't take 1,000 at least.
But this is a company I can't bargain sweetie. But I think the price is there, what it say.
I can't even see carpet wash. Where is it written? Anyway, they'll clean it good. They look like they clean better.
Yeah, they really clean good because that's where I wash the car.
Okay, there is a small carpet.
Yeah.
Okay, not
Yeah, family, so it's like $10 to get the carpet wash. Pick it up back in 2 days time. Yeah.
or maybe any carpet.
Yeah, I guess maybe he was looking at the size, interior, full clean, buffet.
Anyway, I like how they have a place to because the other one maybe they charge.
It'll be dust up.
Because even maybe car wash. The car wash is still expensive than the other one.
Yeah, it's still expensive. That one is like 270, 250, and this one is like body wash 400. If you want vacuum, it's 600. So as you can see, family, there's a lot of carpet here. There's a lot of carpet here. Yeah,
But I
people
like
are
how they
waiting
have nice places.
to hang it and
And
stuff.
also there down, see it has been.
Yeah, put down to get a
The
clean
tile.
wash. Yeah.
But the other place beats dusty. I'm sure they just hang it and pour water on top.
Yeah.
It's all the same. Sometimes cheap is expensive and it's all about it.
Cheap is expensive. Yeah, family. So like, share, and comment on the video. Let me know if you like this vlog.
Now what is the interior?
Let us know your thoughts. Like all of these places up here, they'll clean it.
5,000.
For interior, full clean. Upholstering is like,
What's that?
well, I guess maybe the seat or something.
Watermark,
Watermark, remove watermark.
engine wash, remove. Well, I
Engine
guess
wash.
the
I did the
extra
engine wash here already.
So you paid 500.
Extra, yeah.
So you pay extra 100.
Extra 500 too. Not extra.
Oh, to wash
100.
the engine is 500. So plus body wash 900. Okay.
If you want vacuum is 600. Body wash, vacuum is 600.
And bathing for. Let's go.
Alright, family, let's go. Like, share, and comment on the video. Miss Jam Tours, any last words?
No,
You're starving. Alright, the baby inside is starving.
baby inside is starving. Baby outside wants to be put to bed.
How much she's sleeping. Alright, let's go, family. Like, share, and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts about this vlog.
Like